In today's fishing world, you will watch Fishing in Oman. We visited this lovely country on the Arabian Peninsula. Despite some odd opinions on the fishing we heard before the trip, angling in Oman was great. The title of this episode, In the Zone, tells it all. We found an incredible fishing zone. Welcome to our second episode filmed in lovely Oman. Welcome to this extremely interesting country with beautiful and unforgettable scenery. From what we knew about Oman and thought about this country, this is far above our expectations.
This is very difficult, this type of fishing, because I can't move when you're placed on one. Oh God! Look at the beauty! Look at the beauty!
You have to keep because they're in the eye.
Yeah, he's hooked on the eye.
No go. Oh, what a nice one, huh? Hey!
Nice one!
Bravo!